I'm Vinod. Welcome to my YouTube channel Win Civil World. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about false ceilings. What do you mean by a false ceiling? What are the advantages of false ceiling? And what are the different types of false ceiling? What do you mean by a false ceiling? What are the advantages of providing a false ceiling? And what are the different types of false ceiling? This is what we are going to discuss in this particular section. What is a false ceiling? Just have a look at this picture. It's an artificial ceiling below the main roof. This is the main roof and this is the false ceiling. And this is an artificial roof below the main roof. And it is hung with the help of supports. And the supports are called hangers. Just go through this picture. This is the hangers. Why we need a false ceiling? That is for aesthetic appearance. That is for this architectural good appearance. Looks elegant and beautiful. The room height can be reduced. Next point is the room height can be reduced by using false ceiling. This is the roof height and this is the height of the false ceiling. And look at the difference. And the room feels more compact and pleasant by using a false ceiling because the room height is less. Reduce power bills or energy bills. Just go through this picture. This is the false ceiling and this is the roof. There is a gap between the false ceiling and the roof. This is a non-conducting medium. Just the heat falling over the roof, it will not be conducted through this medium to the room. And this non-conducting medium can make the false ceiling cool. It can reduce heat transmission. And this is the room height. It is very less. That means less room height means less area for air conditioning cooling. That will reduce the air conditioning load. Air conditioning load reduction can leads to the savings in power bills or electricity bills. Next is heights service lines. You know that there are a lot of service lines passing through the false ceiling. This is a typical cross section of a false ceiling and this is the roof and the other one is the ceiling. There is AC flow and return ducts will be there for centralized air conditioning systems. Then electrical wiring is there for ceiling lights, concealed lights and all. Firefighting lines will be there and a lot of access control system, closed circuit cameras and lot of cabling will be happening between the gap. And the false ceiling will cover these service lines and looks pleasant. The room will be looking very good. Next is interior lighting. You can provide additional lights in the ceiling. Ceilings may you can provide extra lights and the ceilings this will improve the lighting of the room and makes the room looking splendid. Next is acoustic insulators. You can convert the false ceiling to acoustic insulators because the panels used for covering the ceiling that can act as acoustic insulators. There is mineral fiber boards, you can use fabric, you can use textured false ceilings. These all have the quality of to act as a sound insulator. And this is mainly used for movie halls, auditoriums and lecture halls. Next, all these false ceiling materials, they are all fire protection, fire retardant materials and they can resist fire. The false ceiling has a lot of qualities. That is why it is being used so extensively. That is easy to install. Materials are available easily and can be customized. Customized means it can be modified to any requirement and can be completed very fast. It can be repairing can be done in parts and it is very easy. There are two different types of false ceiling that is normally used in construction. One is concealed grid system and the other one is open grid system. The difference is that concealed grid system, the grid system will be covered by the boards, just like this in this picture. This is the main roof and this is the hangers from where the false ceiling is hanging. This is the framework. The framework will be covered by the boards. That is why it is called concealed grid system. It is covered, no frame will be visible from outside. Next is the open grid system. It is simply the grid will be visible from inside the room. The open grid false ceiling, it is very easy to install. It is just tiles. You have to simply put the tiles in the cross T's and main T's. It's not commonly used in residential construction. Just have a look at the types of concealed false ceiling systems. The POP false ceiling system is the commonly used system. It's a concealed system. Nothing will be seen from the room. And gypsum board false ceiling, it is also looks a seamless feeling and nothing will be shown in the room. And wooden false ceiling, and there are a lot of other ceilings. There is a common type of ceilings which we are mentioning. Next is the types of open grid false ceiling. Open grid false ceiling, it's simply the change of tile. Open grid false ceiling, you can use any type of tile. It can be gypsum, it can be metal tile, it can be glass, it can be laminated wood, and it can be mineral fiber board. The only thing is that the grids will be same and the tile part is changed. The grids used in open false ceiling system. This is the grid used in open false ceiling system. It is simply a T grid. It will be main T and it will be a cross T, and a wall angle will be used to fix the false ceiling system to the walls. Tiles used in open grid system. This only the thing is that the tiles grid will be same. The tiles you can change. There is mineral fiber board, gypsum tile you can use. You can use metal tiles. That is all are 600 by 600, 2 foot by 2 foot size. And metal, steel, stainless steel, everything is available. Perforated and open cell false ceiling tiles, and there is an enormous amount of tiles available in the market. What are the disadvantages of false ceiling? False ceiling have both disadvantages. First is false ceiling reduces the room height. Sometimes it will be looking awkward and sometimes you will not be able to provide any fan. And rodents and pests can enter the false ceiling and create problems. It's a very common problem of false ceiling, and sometimes the fittings may fall off. False ceiling में कुछ defect हो जाएगा, then the fittings will fall off. And maintenance, some concealed system, some problem is there. It is very difficult to access and maintain. There are two type of false ceiling which we are commonly used. That is POP false ceiling and gypsum board false ceiling. And we will be coming up with a new video that is about POP false ceiling and gypsum false ceiling, and what are the pros and concerns of POP false ceiling and gypsum board false ceiling. Thank you.